So when I start my vehicle, the oil light turns yellow, stays on for a while, it eventually goes off. But what I need to change is the oil sensor. It looks like this. It's underneath the vehicle near the sump, so I'm going to change that. So I've jacked up the vehicle. Now I've got to remove this plate. There's 4 bolts. These 4 bolts here, 1, 2, and there's another 2 in the back. I'll remove the plate. Took that cover out, but there's another cover underneath here, so I'm going to take that one out. Okay, so there were 3 covers that needed to be removed, so I've removed all 3 covers. There's a plastic one in front and there's 2 in the back, and now I'm going to remove there's 3 bolts for the oil sensor. That's the oil sensor there next to the sump nut. So I'm busy draining the oil and I'm going to remove that. Okay, so you're going to unplug this, and there's 3 bolts here. There's 1, 2, 3. You're going to remove them. So here's the new one, here's the old one. So I saw on the old one there were pieces of silicone stuck all over it, so it looks like whoever worked on the car, the pieces of silicone started getting stuck all over, and maybe it blocked this hole here. So I'm assuming that even if I clean it up, it might work, but I'm going to stick in the new one. The new one feels very light compared to the original one, which is the original BMW one. You see the BMW logo on it, and this is the OEM one.